Once again, we're working in our office layout.dwg file. And what I want to show you now is a recent addition to AutoCAD. It's happened in the last few versions. We're running AutoCAD 2026 for this particular course. It's also available in AutoCAD 2025 as well, the previous version. And what's happened with Autodesk and AutoCAD is AI, artificial intelligence, is being brought into AutoCAD. Now, when I say artificial intelligence, it is AI. It's also what they call machine learning. And basically, AutoCAD learns from what you do, and the AI assists you when you're working in AutoCAD as well. Now, we're going to go to the Layers panel just to demonstrate how this works. Go to your Layer dropdown, and you want to be working on the Desks layer. So we're going to place a new desk, but we're going to use a really cool new feature called Smart Placement of the desk. Now, the lovely thing about this is you can bring a block into your AutoCAD drawing using the insert tools, and AutoCAD will go, you're inserting a block. Let me check what existing geometry you've got, and I'll check the orientation of that block against that geometry for you. So we go to the Insert tab on the ribbon, like so. There we go. And we're going to go to Insert here and click on the flyout. Now, all the blocks that are contained in this drawing are here on this little slider bar. So everything that's there, you should recognize a lot of it, title blocks and the desk and the chair. So select desk like so. Come into the drawing area. It's asking for an insertion point. Now, if you look at the crosshair, can you see there's a tiny little desk on that crosshair? I think that's a really nice addition by Autodesk. It's kind of cool. Now, if I start hovering around, can you see I start to get some flickers? And everything kind of goes a bit yellow. If I hover up near this corner, can you see there? It's starting to say, where do you want this to go? Now, the nice thing is the orientation that it's showing me is exactly where I want it to go. So I just touch on a wall. Can you see that there? And all I do is I left click. Block is placed. It's oriented exactly to the wall. I don't have to think about object snaps or angle or rotation or anything. It's done it all for me. That's the AI in AutoCAD, allowing you to work quickly and easily with the smart placement of your blocks in your AutoCAD drawings.